सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची जुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठी झलके
Hi, Smriti this side, and I started here in the month of April last year, and this is my first company. So this experience is very special for me. So and I like from day one only I felt like very comfortable working here. So if I talk about the work culture, then definitely it is very positive. The environment is very good, and especially my team who have played a very important role in my growth. So my team has always been like very supportive and who helped me at every step to understand what is the process and improve my skills as well to achieve my targets also. Because of their guidance and motivation only, I was able to achieve good numbers and gain confidence in my work. So working at Mavericks has helped me grow both professionally as well and personally also. So I have learned discipline, teamwork, and communication skills, and definitely I have like managed and like I have done all the things who can like improve my skills and handle the challenges with positive mindset. Hi, Smriti this side, and I started here in the month of April last year, and this is my first company. So this experience is very special for me. So and I like from day one only I felt like very comfortable working here. So if I talk about the work culture, then definitely it is very positive. The environment is very good, and especially my team who have played a very important role in my growth. So my team has always been like very supportive and who helped me at every step to understand what is the process and improve my skills as well to achieve my targets also. Because of their guidance and motivation only, I was able to achieve good numbers and gain confidence in my work. So working at Mavericks has helped me grow both professionally as well and personally also. So I have learned discipline, teamwork, and communication skills, and definitely I have like managed and like I have done all the things who can like improve my skills and handle the challenges with positive mindset.
Hi, Anjali this side. So firstly, I would like to congratulate to the Mavericks Education for completing their 5th work anniversary. And if I share about my personal experience in the organization, so yes, it was really very good. And along with the work, I have enjoyed a lot in this organization. And the work environment of the company is also very good, positive and friendly and supportive. And from here, I have learned a lot of things, not just knowledge and skill, but also teamwork and leadership, and most importantly I have built a lot of confidence also in me, which has helped me both professionally and personally as well. And I'm truly very grateful to the organization for that growth. And all this was possible because of the leaders that I'm having, like my managers, my leaders. They also helped me a lot, and they constantly supported me and guided me and motivated me always to go for more. And because of their trust in me only, I have performed here also. So this was all, and the team is also very good, and the whole environment of the company is very good. So this was all about my experience. So yeah, I would like to congratulate again. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Pallavi. So wishing Mavericks a 5 year of legacy and a good growth. So it has been a great opportunity to work with the newly inaugurated branch of a Mavericks, and this experience really built up my leadership and a team skills. So I appreciate the opportunity that companies have provided to me, and the trust and the ownership they had given to me. Just wish you good luck.
My name is Anshika Tripathi. I'm here from last 1 year, and today we are here to celebrate the 5th anniversary of Mavericks Education in the market as an EdTech organization. Apart from this, if I talk about my journey with Mavericks Education, so I really enjoyed each and every moment while doing the admission part, while learning things, and I learned a lot from my leaders. And I think I noticed one more thing, that is in a very short time of 1 year journey, I involved very deeply with the pillars of the Mavericks, that is known by the name of Praveen sir, previously the Sankeet sir, also Gurpreet sir, Rami sir, Vishnu sir, Jyoti ma'am. These are the pillars that makes Mavericks stand by that where right now we are. So I think I also in a very short time I involved myself deeply with them. So this is the thing. Apart from this, I also set a benchmark of doing the maximum number in a month. It's 22.5 admissions. I earn multiple times Rockstar trophy as well. Earn high is the incentive here with Mavericks Education. So this is, I am learning a lot from here, and I enjoy working with Mavericks Education. So yeah, so that's all.
Hi everyone, this is Diksha, team leader of Mavericks Education. So as our company completes 5 wonderful years, so many congratulations to Gurpreet sir. I feel so proud to be a part of this journey and excited for many more successful years ahead. So completing 5 years and opening a new branch within 5 years is the true reflection of the growth, success and achievement of the organization. So for this, many congratulations to Gurpreet sir. Thank you so much.
हाय माई सेल्फ प्रवीण एंड ओवरऑल मैवरिक्स के साथ मेरे 3 ईयर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं एंड मैवरिक्स के साथ मेरी अपनी जर्नी काफ़ी अच्छी रही है. मुझे इन 3 साल के अंदर सीखने का मौका बहुत ज़्यादा मिला है. फॉर द लास्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने यहाँ पे आके अपना लीडरशिप सीखा है, प्लस सेल्स स्किल्स सीखे, सेल्स स्ट्रेटजी सीखे अपने लीडर से, अपने मैनेजर से. ऑलमोस्ट कंपनी के अंदर जो लास्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर देखा जाए तो मेरा यहाँ पे आके जो इन्वायरमेंट रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा रहा है कंपनी के साथ. थैंक यू.
Good morning everyone. First of all, congratulations for 5-year anniversary to Mavericks. और मुझे यहाँ 6 महीने हो गए हैं. मैं अंशुलित हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे MI एग्जीक्यूटिव में हूँ. मैं यहाँ लीड्स मैनेज करता हूँ और रिपोर्ट बनाता हूँ, जिससे सारी एनालाइज हो सके कि कैसे कैसे काम चल रहा है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बहुत बढ़िया है और बहुत रिलीफ वाली है और कंफर्टेबल है. हर कोई कंफर्टेबल है और फ्रेंडली है. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this side Vishnu Sharma. First of all, congratulations to Mavericks Education on completing 5 successful years in the industry. So if I talk about working environment here, so it is very supportive and positive. I am also going to complete my 3 working years in Mavericks Education, and I learned a lot professionally as well as personally, especially from the Gurpreet sir. And I am also thankful to Praveen sir for their guidance and support. So I am wishing Maverick Education many more years of success and growth ahead.
Congratulations to Maverick Education on completing 5 years of its journey. Being associated with this organization from past 3 months gives me a closer view to the efforts, structure and discipline it takes to build and sustain a good organization. I wish that Maverick Education's continued stability, growth and many more milestones in the years ahead.
Hi, this is Ramesh. I am the assistant manager from Maverick Education itself. If we talk about the journey of Maverick Education, so this is the 5th work anniversary of Maverick Education. And if we talk about myself, तो आज मुझे 1 साल 4 महीने हो गए इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ज्वाइन किया. और मैं बात करूँ कि हमारा की जर्नी मेरी कैसी रही, तो जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था तो हमने 10 से 12 लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया था. 10 से 12 लोग यही थे इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. हम लोग छोटे से स्टेज में को बहुत ही यूनिक स्टोरी है हमारे. इसके अलावा जो वहाँ पर और भी उनको कॉलेज से प्रॉब्लम हो गई, बट फिर उसके बाद मैंने नया ब्रांच शुरू किया. उसके बाद एक और ब्रांच हो गया. द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ मैवरिक एजुकेशन की विद इन टाइम ऑफ 1 ईयर, 1 साल के अंदर मैवरिक ने इतना ज़्यादा ग्रो किया कि खुद की एक सेटअप एक ऑफिस लिया है. उसके अलावा एक अलग ब्रांच भी खुली है. अभी हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट 100 पीपल वर्किंग है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, जहाँ पे आज से 1 साल जस्ट पहले मात्र 10 लोग वर्किंग हैं. बट आज के टाइम पे हम लोग 100 से प्लस एम्प्लॉय हैं मैवरिक एजुकेशन के. सो दिस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ग्रोथ दैट आई सीन इन माई एंटायर लाइफ. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस टॉक अबाउट माई जर्नी अबाउट मैवरिक एजुकेशन. सो मैंने एज असिस्टेंट मैनेजर ज्वाइन किया था. बट राइट नाउ एट द टाइम कि मैं न्यू पर्सन हूँ, मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता नहीं थी, बट स्किल्स डेवलप हुए यहाँ पे. मैनेजरियल स्किल्स क्या होते हैं, कैसे टीम को हैंडल करना होता है, इन सब के ऊपर जो हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सर है मिस्टर गुरप्रीत सिंह गुलाटी सर, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया है कि आपको टीम को कैसे हैंडल करना है, जो मैनेजमेंट है उसका उनका माइंड सेट क्या है, उनके साथ आप कैसे कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हो. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट इसमें एक बहुत पर्सन है जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया, दैट इज मिस्टर प्रवीण सर, प्रवीण सिंह सर. इन्होंने मुझे जो इंटरनल चीज़ें होती हैं कंपनीज के अंदर की, जैसे हमारे बहुत सारे हमारे फाइनेंशियल इन सब के ऊपर उन्होंने मुझे इंटरनल जो ट्रीटमेंट होती है वो बहुत अच्छी लगी। एंड तो मैं बहुत थैंक यू नॉट ओनली यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपको सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बस एक प्रोडक्टिविटी के लिए करना है। अगर मैं अपनी पर्सनली बात करूँ तो मुझे सबसे डिजीज नहीं है हम सफरिंग विद लाइक शुगर इट्सल्फ डायबिटीज़। तो कभी कभी होता है ना कि आप थोड़ा डल हो तो वहाँ पे किसी को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता आप डल हो या आप किस माइंडसेट से ऑफिस आए हो, सबको नंबर चाहिए होता है। बट इन मैवरिक एजुकेशन जहाँ पे मुझे डायरेक्टर सर हमेशा पूछते रहते हैं कि तबीयत कैसी है, तो एक पर्सनल बॉन्ड भी है उनके साथ और इस चीज़ के ऊपर भी टेक केयर किया जाता है कि आपके जो एम्प्लॉय हैं वो हेल्दी हैं कि नहीं है। तो एक बहुत बड़ा लाइक बहुत ही डिफरेंट पार्ट है जो कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किसी अपने एम्प्लॉय के बारे में इतना ज़्यादा सोचता हो। So yes, definitely I am very happy to working with Maverick Education and day by day I am growing myself with my team itself. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much sir, Gurpreet Singh Gulati sir and Praveen Sidewar sir. Thank you so much.
Hey, hi Mavericks, very good morning and congratulations everyone. So this is the 5th year anniversary for Mavericks Education, the 5th birthday. So congratulations to all the management, especially Gurpreet sir, Praveen bhaiya, because of you we all are here. Congratulations to all the employees who have completed the tenure here. So I just want to say I feel like a new home here. It smells like a fresh car and only thing I can assure is a lot of positivity, a lot of goodwill, a lot of energy coming from my side to this organization. And I hope next year when we celebrate this milestone, it is a very bigger room and lot of new people added in the firm. So yes, congratulations once again, best wishes.
Many congratulations to Mavericks Education for completing 5 successful years. It's been a great working with this organization wherein you feel heard and seen. I would like to thank Gurpreet sir for giving me this opportunity to collaborate with him or my fellow mates. So a big shout out to all the pillars who have build this organization and help us to lead here. So let's work efficiently now onwards and take it on to the next height. Thank you very much.
First of all, it's very precious time for us. We are celebrating 5 years of Mavericks Education. So this journey, like if I talk about, I see personally all the ups and downs. I see like the work where we are having up people of 1 and 2 and now we are having lots of branches, we are having lots of people here. So this journey that we are like celebrating today, it is really full of motivation, full of emotions, and we have like achieved lots of things, lots of numbers, lots of achievements. And most important for me that I want to tell on this precious day, which is related to our CEO Gurpreet sir. So Gurpreet sir started his business with a huge vision he is having because he is also from the same EdTech only, and when he started this journey, so he is having that dream and he started that this startup and Mavericks Education. When I joined this organization from the day one when I'm here, so I can see like initially when we started this thing, we are having that emotion only, okay, we have to start this organization and we will have one day the lots of people, lots of numbers, lots of achievements. And today after 5 years, if I proudly I can say that I have achieved that, we have achieved that, right? So for me definitely that the dream has been decided by Gurpreet sir and we are achieving that. That is really wonderful for us. And for me, if I talk about personally, like we saw lots of things, like we saw some ups and downs, which means like we started from a small like co-working space to the different big office of our own, from Bangalore location to Delhi location, Noida location. So that the journey, the branches that we have seen and the manpower we have seen, we have found lots of good people with us. And for myself personally, so for me the loyalty and commitment is everything. So सिर्फ मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, शुरुआत से साथ हूँ, आगे भी रास्ता साथ चलेगा, ये रिश्ता सिर्फ नौकरी का नहीं, भरोसे का सिलसिला रहेगा. तो for me like this is not something what we are celebrating this 5 year only. There are lots of things that we need to cover. And once again I would like to give thanks to all our teammates, all our clients, all about the people who joined us earlier and they are not a part of us. All their hard work are involved into this success that we are celebrating today. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much, Gurpreet sir, for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
प्रकाश भाई आज क्या बताओ?
मेमोरीज को 5 साल हो गए।
क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया भाई। रमेश भाई जी, क्या पहले पेंटर वेंटर भी थे क्या? भाविका, एक बलून कितने का एक बलून? 50 रुपीज। क्या करना है?
वीडियो बनाना है।
We are